Hey everyone, this is JC2MO, and I was wanting to do an unboxing today for, I don't know exactly who it's from, but it's from Sarah Nigel from Havok Fingerboard Chucks, and I'm just gonna rip it open. But anyways, yeah, these are some trucks I got off their eBay, and they got here in like 3 days from Oklahoma. Oklahoma City in Oklahoma. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, they sell trucks and fingerboards, I believe. They sell other things too. I'm not exactly sure, but I got their trucks. I got red wide trucks, and I'll show you what they look like in just a second. Here's the package. The red trucks, as you can see. This is pretty awesome. They put it in a little Ziploc bag with tape around it. It's already set up, perfect. Guess this is what it comes with. Wow, these are nice. Comes with the red trucks, and it has bearing screws and kingpin screw. And it's already tuned, and it's like perfect. And it doesn't even go close to reaching the outside, if you can see that. Like, it's perfect. And I'm aiming to shape these myself and then repaint them red, just for the fact I like the way these trucks look. These are my favorite trucks, pretty much. Oh, or I'm just gonna use the hanger. Probably just use the hanger. Probably just use the screws for these trucks, because these trucks are like my favorite. I'm just gonna take them apart real quick to show you how it works. So you have your tool right there. Yeah, it comes with an Allen key. And just unscrew it. Well, actually, it goes pretty deep. I had no idea. Well, that's not that deep. Yeah, there's the screw. Goes in just like that. I don't have any extra wheels. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. It goes in just like that. It's really easy to turn. I can turn it with my hand even. I'll take out this real quick, show you what it looks like. There's the kingpin screw. It's actually shorter than the regular one. I believe that's how it's supposed to be, so it doesn't go through. I think it's made like that. There's the hanger. It's just the regular wide fingerboard hanger. Here's the base plate. So it looks like red. It comes with tuning. There's the big one. Here, I'll show you like this. Comes with tuning just like that. It's all red and black. And yeah, and it comes with all the mounting screws. Comes with that needs to come with. Actually, I'm gonna try this on my other deck, but I don't have another set of wheels, so I'm gonna use them for the other one. But yeah, that's it, you guys. That's what the truck looks like together. And yeah, that's my review for these trucks and unboxing. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.